All right, so we've passed through the flooded area here, and so we're just going to keep pushing our way ahead. We do have a road crossing that's coming up. This is Silver Harbour Road, and so we'll make our way up to there, and then obviously have to cross the road. Now, I'm not quite sure what's kind of going on this side of the grade here. There's kind of like this little sort of pathway that kind of runs alongside the grade. There's kind of ballast down there, so I'm not really sure. I don't know if there was some sort of spur or something here at one point, because it looks kind of flat, kind of a little bit below the level of the grade. Looks like there's sort of ballast down there. We're gonna slow down here for a second so we can make our way carefully across the road so we don't get run over, and then we'll pick things up on the other side. Come here, Lynn. All right, so we made our way across the road here. So again, that's Silver Harbour Road, and we're just gonna keep plugging along. We have basically a short little section here to do, and then we have another road crossing coming up, and about 400 meters or so, or 500 meters. All right, so we'll jump up on the bike and I'll push us ahead to our potential next point of interest here. Just got to keep my eyes open for it. Again, you can see another little rock cut here. So around here is supposed to be milepost 185, but I don't see the marker. I don't see even any vestiges of it. I kind of looked whilst we were sort of heading east, but nothing kind of jumped out. So that must be long gone. Sometimes they cut them off and the bottom part is still sort of sticking around, but I don't even see that. Do have a culvert here, but again, no marker. So our next road crossing is just right up there. And again, this is Silver Beach Road. I think there's another culvert here, but again, there's no marker. And then we're going to make our crossing of the road. Luna, come here. Come here. All right, so we've made our way across Silver Beach Road here, and so we're on the last sort of leg of our journey today, and so we have approximately another kilometer to go before we reach our destination, which is the next road crossing. So basically here's where things kind of quiet down a little bit. There's not really a ton of stuff going on in terms of features. You can see a little bit of rock work here, mostly on the north side of the grade. It's starting to pick up a little bit. Again, it's not bad, but there's times where it's a little chilly. I really thought the sun would poke out here. We've been kind of blessed with a very beautiful fall. Maybe not the last week or so, the last couple of weeks it's been, probably the last 3 weeks it's been kind of nice during the week and then lousy on the weekends. This week was the first week that maybe the week wasn't particularly fantastic. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll zip you ahead a little bit here, since it's just kind of flat and straight here, and there's not really a ton of things to see. So here you can really hear some waves kind of crashing ashore. It's a little bit more open here, and so it's probably some pretty good wave action coming off the lake. You can see some homes and some camps here. Here's some bumps in the grade here, and there's a culvert, and obviously there's some deterioration as a result of the culvert here. There's a bit of a sag. The culvert is a modern culvert, no marker, however, unfortunately. Here you can see the lake much better. You can see there's pretty decent waves coming in. So here you can see again how well traveled this portion of the grade is. You can see that basically a lot of the ballast has been kind of pushed aside, and we're kind of right down to the underlying gravel. Here we're passing through a little cut, and you can see there was at one time a barricade that kind of was blocking access that's been kind of turned a little bit. And so our destination is just right up here, and so this is Grandview Beach Road. So this is another one of these access roads that comes down to service the homes and the camps down here alongside Lake Superior. And so this is our destination for today. So we're just going to go up a little further here. You can see there's a little bit more rock work along the side of the grade. And we're going to hold up right here. Just get sort of towards the end of this rock work here. There's a road here, and I don't want Luna getting too close to the road. Luna, come here. Come here. Okay, so this brings us to the end of our exploration for today. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's adventure. Few neat things to see. Obviously the second half of the exploration was a little bit quieter than maybe we'd liked it. So we're going to be back just as soon as we can to explore the next section of grade. That's probably going to happen in the springtime, so next spring, the spring of 2022. So look forward to that video. And again, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more episodes.